Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It would surely help our channel. Happy reading! Hello everyone, so this is chapter 483. So we can see little Curtis trying to go near to Ching Ching. But she kept on avoiding him. Shifts attention. How did you and the mermaids get together? Oo nga. Paano sila naging close? Ayun, si Monkey King. Monkey King ba yan? Basta sa king of yan siya, diba? Orangutan, something like that. Not long after I ate the fruit, the Ape King appeared. Ape King palang tawag. It was as if they lured me to eat the fruit. Ay, ginamit ka lang, be. Alam nila. You even got connections with the Ape King? Pwede pa patay na yung Ape King? Pinatay ni Curtis yung Ape King, diba? But I don't care. I just want you. Ay, nako, be. Then, my memories were awakened. I realized that I couldn't steal you while you were in the clan. So I decided to seek them out. Ay, nako, little snake, what have you done? Do you know of any other little snakes? Did they eat the fruits too? Oo nga, sana kayong ibang little snakes, ano? Siya lang yung pinapakita sa story eh. I'm not sure. Maybe. We want our own ways after our father kicked us. Alam mo naman pala na may father ka, so of course, he's your mother too. So bakit iniisip mo na ikaw si Curtis? But what, baby? If they're here to steal you from me, I'll kill them all. Tamo, hindi ka nga pinatay ng father mo. Curtis didn't kill you. Pinagbigyan pa rin kayong mabuhay. They gave you a chance to leave, but what have you done? It's over. Well, bye, Ching Ching. It's your fault anyway. Curtis already told you what was going to happen, but you didn't listen to him. The sun has completely gone down the wrong path. Gets up. Saan si An-An? An-An is there. Do you feel better? Why don't you lie down and rest some more? Ayaw niya, di ba? Robs. I don't have the guts to sleep at your place. Sarap nga ng tulog mo eh. Pati si An-An natutulog din. Sad. You should be sad, dear. Kasi hindi nga ikaw si Curtis, di ba? Ba't po kasi pinipilit? Whoosh. Oh, waves. What's that? That's... Ayun, nakita niya si Curtis tsaka si Parker. Nasa kabilang pa rin sila. Nasa tawid pa rin sila. Ah! It must be Parker and Curtis. It's definitely them. Where are you going? Ito na naman tong little snake na to. Sumusobra ka na talaga, little snake, ha? Nainis na ako sa'yo. I'm living here. Little bye. Tapos iniwan mo na naman si An-An. You left An-An again. You should get An-An first before you get outside. Grabe ka naman, Ching Ching. Curtis. Diba? Lumabas talaga siya na wala si An-An. You always forgot about your daughter. Goodness. Si Curtis. Nakita niya si O, diba? So near yet so far. Kita siya agad ni Curtis. Little boy. Siguradong niya ngayon yan kahit may mga poisonous something dyan sa dagat. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh my gosh, paano yan? Mapopoison si Curtis. It's really Curtis. Siya nga talaga, hindi mo naman inisip, di mo mga traps dyan, di ba? Sinabihan ka na, ba't di ba? Full na naman yung memory ko. I'm sorry, guys. But there's danger surrounding the lake. Will Curtis be okay? Ngayon mo pa naisip yan? Tinawag mo na yung attention niya. If it's just the thorns, Curtis should be able to rush out if she's quick enough with his scales covering him. Nagtry na siya. Curtis tried it already and scales still be pa rin siya, nasugatan pa rin siya. Ito na naman tong babaeng to, tong mermaid na ito. Sino nga tong mermaid na ito, tong babaeng to? Curtis, I knew you would come. Oh, of course, pupunta siya dyan kasi nandyan si Ching Ching, diba? Hindi siya pumunta just for you. She came over to save by Ching Ching. For what I know, she just want to avenge her mate, diba? Yung Ape King na pinatay ni Curtis. Oh no, Curtis! My gosh. Whoosh. Move! Well, Curtis fast. Pero ewan ko lang kung kayanin niya yung ganyan kadaming mermaids. Diyos, ang dami naman niyang kaaway. Kaya ni Curtis yan. Ito talaga si Vine. Ako. Ay, si Little Snake pala yung may kasalanan. You've already laid down traps just waiting for me to come. Yes. Pero nakalimutan mo atang above the powerful na si Curtis, diba? But we'll see. Oh no, what's that? Bro. Damn it, Curtis is at a huge disadvantage underwater. I need to summon him here. Summon him? Hurry up and leave. Curtis will kill you once I summon him here. No! Itong little snake na to talaga. Ang sarap kalbuhin. Only one of us gets to live. You choose. Grabe ka, father mo yan. You. Smack. Yan. Nasampal ka tuloy. Tinga sa'yo. We summon Curtis. Hurry up. Since you didn't choose him, let's become mates. Didn't choose him. Hindi nga ikaw yung inano niya. Si Curtis nga yung pinili niya. Little snake. Tigas talaga ng ulo ng little snake na to. Ngayon, paiyak-iyak ka ngayon. Tigas din kasi ng ulo mo. Curtis already told you what will happen. You didn't believe him. Don't force me to make a choice. Once my mate and the others, my son, I won't be able to handle losing either of you. It's all my fault that we got to this point. Alam mo naman pala. Buti alam mo, girl. Iyak na lang tuloy siya. If I could choose again, I'd listen to Curtis and stay away from you. That way, you would have gone down the wrong path. Hindi mo pa na-realize yan. To Little Snake, my existence is just a new burden to him after escaping Curtis' clutches. Little Bye, don't cry. Uy, mother mo yan, hindi yan. I won't force you. Hmm. He finally thought it through? Eileen, talaga. We can become mates after he's dead. Ay nako, kaloka ka talaga, little snake. Tigas din talaga ng ulo mo kasi bay eh. Ting. Anyway, this is the end of this chapter. See you in the next one. Let's see what will happen. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Bye. Hi, friends. Thank you for reading with me. I hope you enjoyed the story. Please subscribe for more. And see you in the next chapter. Bye-bye.